Hi there YouTube, just doing a video here on the Mamod Se.2 steam engine, circa 1970s. I'll be showing you how to start the engine and prepare it for starting and firing up step by step. So here we go, I've restored this engine and here it is. So first of all, we've got the valve here taken off, overflow valve and the water fill valve. You take your Mamod funnel here, place it on the top and fill with water. There you go. I've already filled it with a bit of water, so I need to put a bit more in. And then you get this here, and it's a bit fiddly. Turn that on there. There you go. This valve here, safety valve. Yep, safety valve. And your paraffin gel, which you put into the tray here, which I've already put in. And your candle, just like this, once, like that. Should be able to see that. Yep, that's on. Place it under here in the burner, and we wait. So this is the Mamod. I'm running the grinder on this here. Mamod 19 grinder with a basically elastic band. Yep, with my elastic band. This is copper, piston copper wheel, cherry red, and 650 degrees resistant heat paint there. So that's it, I've restored this, but obviously the paint has got heated up and it's got a bit rough, if you know what I mean. So this is starting up now. It's a nice little engine. Here we go, just heating up now. You might be able to hear it, there you go. Trying to get the feed of the water and steam through. Take this off to start with. This is my copper pipe that I've soldered on with my dad. Just goes there. You've got your inlet and outlet. Steam comes out the top of the chimney there. Come around this side. There's not much to see. Here we go. Whoa, got a bit of water there. And we're nearly ready to start up now. Nearly ready. And there we go. The Mamod Se.2 steam engine circa 1920, running 100% off steam. We'll just stop the engine and run the grind up. There we go, grinder's now running. Nice and smooth. Just stop the engine, clean the excess water off, and we can restart. Thank you YouTube for watching my video, my Mamod Se.2 steam engine. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, rate, comment, and thank you. I'll see you again with some more videos on RCs, Mamods and much more. Bye.